This is Ree.
And I'm Roslyn.
And I'm Cassie. And we are now going to North America. We're pretty familiar with North America, right? There you go. Good job. And so the animal we selected for this week is a prairie dog. We think they're kind of neat. And so our recipe is going to be egg in a hole biscuit. We're going to act like a prairie dog and make egg in a hole biscuits. So we'll go over our ingredients and we'll meet you in the kitchen.
Here are the ingredients for eggs in a hole: bacon, butter, favorite sandwich bread, eggs, Parmesan, salt and pepper.
Hi campers, welcome back to our kitchen. We have a lot of fun with this recipe, so we're excited to share it with you and see what you guys come up with. So this is our egg in a hole. What we did before we started is prepped the most important part, which is
Bacon!
Bacon! So what we do is we actually bake it in the oven just so that it's all done at once and we don't have to watch it as much. About 400 degrees, maybe 15 minutes, keeping an eye depending on how crispy you want it. Of course, you can prep it on the stove or however you normally do. We have that ready to go. Next, we have our pieces of toast. So I'm going to let you each have a piece here, and I'll take a couple over here.
What do we do?
Yep, I'm going to show you here. So normally when you look at this recipe, people take either a cup and cut out a circle, or they just have a round cookie cutter. But we like to have a little more fun with it, and so we have some fun cookie cutters here that we're going to use instead. Right here's a football. Roslyn loves,
like Saturn.
Yeah, Roslyn loves space. Maybe that's a UFO. We have a moon and a star, so we have some whatever cookie cutters you have at your home.
Daddy likes sports.
You and Daddy love sports, yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push it down into your piece of toast. Kind of wiggle it. Can you wiggle it? You can use whatever bread you have at home or your favorite kind of bread and punch it out. Now I have a moon.
I have football.
You got a football. Is it coming out? Need a little help? Oh, my star one must be pretty sharp. That was easy. You done it, Roz?
Mm-hmm. Hike.
Good job. Hike. I love it.
Yum,
Right.
yum,
There
yum.
you go. Yum, yum, yum. And of course, it always helps to cheer on your food, right?
Yum.
Yep.
Yum.
All right.
Yum.
Next, we are going to butter one side. So I'm going to take a little bit of butter. One side. Reed, can you put butter side down? Can you flip it on there? That one down. Raz, would you like to butter yours? This anyway. Very good. So what happens when you actually bake this part of the bread, your shape, you're not going to be able to see it anymore. But we do have these fun pieces that we'll also butter and bake up with it, so you'll have a fun piece of toast to go. Nothing to see here. We're going to pretend that didn't happen.
Is that actually going to be in the cookie? What are you?
So, that one's Reed's piece. Good job. We're going to put that on there. We're going to pretend that nothing happened. And put that guy on there. Roz, do you want to go ahead and butter some of these? Just a little bit of butter on that toast. We're going to put that on there as well. Okay, now we are pulling out our eggs. That's a lot of butter, girl. How much butter you use depends on.
How much you like?
Can I help you a little bit?
I want all the butter.
I know. You want all the bacon?
I need more.
Okay.
Another egg in here.
Reed has the right idea. You can tell we're in a silly mood today.
Another egg in here. And that's okay. That's all.
All right, he's not wrong. We are gonna put the egg inside. We're gonna hide the egg in there, right? But I think it might taste better if we take the egg out of the shell. What do you think, Rudy?
Yeah, can I?
Okay, each take one egg. I'll take a couple.
I'll crack it.
Yep, so here's a tip though. With cracking, a lot of times people crack it on the side, but that pushes the eggshell in and it gets a little more messy. So we're gonna try this. Reed, you've got the football. This one's yours. Right, we're gonna make sure the butter side's down. Right, so that one's yours there.
I'm gonna crack this open.
So you're gonna hit it right down on the counter, like this, and then dump it in to your bread.
Where's mine?
You can do the moon right there. I think I maybe took yours. Perfect. Cut that.
Ew.
Yep. Oh, messy.
Are these Grandma and Grandpa's eggs?
Yep, we actually got these eggs from Grandma and Grandpa. Who had
That's fresh.
chickens. Here, let me go ahead. Wipe your hands a little bit. All right, now it's time for the toppings.
Ow.
I'm gonna put a little bit of salt.
Can I put a little bit of that?
You're gonna put, Rosalind's gonna do a little bit of pepper.
Okay.
And then after she's done, you're gonna do a little bit of Parmesan.
What's Parmesan?
It's a cheese, right?
So I sprinkle it
Yep,
all?
sprinkle it on there.
Like all of it?
Just a little bit, just a little pinch on each. There you go.
Yum.
And so then the last part is the bacon. You can just put your bacon piece straight on top if you would like that. Here, Rosalind's gonna give you a section.
The flat one.
Yeah, that one's a little more flat. That's okay. They're gonna each look a little different. Here,
So-
I'll give you, and we're gonna just.
Huh?
No, not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
Huh?
We're gonna just.
What are these good for making?
This for breakfast. Is that what you're
Do
asking?
I have to break this?
Yep, break little pieces, and I promise
Huh?
you'll have some to eat at the end.
Yeah, lots.
Oh. So, here we go.
I think we're really in a silly mood today.
Yes. Maybe it's because you're hungry and you need some food in your belly. I think this will do the trick. Right?
It's a
Go
good
for
thing
it.
that
You could go ahead.
we're doing it today.
So this is going to go into the oven at 400 degrees, and it really depends on how you like your egg, how long you want to keep it in there. We did, I'm going to put this aside.
Mama, can I eat
Yes, go ahead, eat a piece of bacon.
Can I eat another piece of bacon?
You can tell we love bacon.
Can I hold?
Always going to grab a big piece. All right, this is what it ends up looking like when you bake it. Like I said, we cut the fun shape out. You can't really tell here. We baked ours for about 12 minutes, and so you can pick up the whole piece and eat it just like that. But if you left it dippy, you can use the fun piece of toast that you cut out to dip in and eat like that. But this is kind of an idea of what it'll look like when it comes out. But everyone is going to look a little different, so we'll be excited to see what kind of creations you come up with in your home. He smells the bacon too.
And he smells my piece of bacon.
Yeah. All right, well, we are glad that you put up with our silliness today and joined us. Again, we are excited to see what your creations are, and we look forward to seeing you next week. See ya.
Now this is-
Goodbye.
Bye.